What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over the last day of the trading session, the last day of the trading week, Friday. Here we go. Guys, there's a few things that'll affect the game tomorrow. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Check it out. You see at 8:30, you got U.S. employment report. Got a few things at 8:30, and then you drop down to 10 o'clock. You got consumer sentiment. And then to close the day out during power hour, we got consumer credit. These are a few things that'll shake the market up. But guys, we know what we do when data drop. We stay clear of that right there. We wait for a direction and then we get on them. Guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the first ticker. But before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. First ticker up, guys, we're going to do it with Roblox. As you see, they boom this thing up. Boom. They were sitting down here at 54.70 and boom, they ran that thing all the way up to 59 bucks. We had that one as part of one of the call outs in the announcement. Shout out to whoever that caught that one. That was a good move right there, a good money-making move. I think I had a play in here. Newbies, beginner plays, RBLX calls, a break and hold up at 55.10. And as you see, right at that, at 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:32, we're sitting at 58.15. That is a $3 pop from when I put that play out. Again, shout out to whoever that caught that. Shout out if you was able to make some money on that. Boom. There you go. If you are a bull and you plan this thing tomorrow, newbies and beginners, this is a good play for you to build your account up on. You want to see them open higher than 59.15. So they do that. They can keep trying to push this thing up. I'd look for somewhere around that 59.70 break before they start trying to boom this thing up to $60, 60, 10, 60, 30. There you go on the upside. If you are a bear, you want to see them start closing up under this stuff and this stuff right here. So we're going to throw that chef level right at 58.45. They break through that. They're going to come down to this little bowl in here, 57.50. They lose that right there. What you want to see is this area right here, 56.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they coming back down to 54.85. There you go. Check those levels. Again, guys, if you're watching the video, it's a few different plays that I put out in the YouTube videos. The levels that I give on the upside and the downside, those levels always play out the next day's sessions. Guys, I hope you jotting those levels down. That way, when you in your calls and you're in your puts, and you see it hitting those levels right there. Hey, Fresh said it was going to come to this heavy level right here. Should I take out? Should I preserve some profit right here? It's something for you to think about along your way up in a call or down in a put. There you go. Next ticker up, newbies and beginners, we're going to do Palantir. Palantir is another one that's still grinding out there. You see they boom that thing all the way to 72.97. If you are a bull in this one, they're sitting at 72 even. You want to see 72.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You want to see this area right here at 72.95 get taken out. They can take out that. They come into 73.10. 73.30. We'll handle Palantir in real time tomorrow once they start taking out those areas, and we'll eat on this thing together. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these little bottoms right here at 71.70 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this area right in here at 71.10, and then boom, you're coming down to 70.10. Next level down and there is going to be this little stuff up in here at 69.75. They break through that. You got this bottom at 69.10, and then they can start bringing it back down to 67.25. But again, guys, I said it before. I said it in Tesla. They be giving us these little pullbacks. Don't get excited. I am a bear like crazy, but I'm a smart bear. I know if this ticker is red hot and they continuing to show us that they're booming, making new all-time highs every single day, puts is not the thing. Do not be grabbing puts because you will get smoked. Last ticker for newbies and beginners, we're going to throw WMT on there. This is the gift that keeps giving. It keeps grinding up, and it looks like they ready to make another move. As you see, anytime you get this little grind right in here, either they ready to pop it or they ready to come back down. Right now, it's that buy-in season. Walmart, I still foresee them to keep booming up. Wouldn't surprise me. Before the end of the year, we looking at $100 price tag in Walmart. They're sitting at 95.30 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 95.50 get taken out. They can take out that, boom, you come into 95.60, and they're going to run this thing even higher. You want to see 95.95 get taken out. They can take out that, you running into the 96.10 area, the 96.30 areas. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this little stuff up in here at 95.20 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this little area in here, let's say 95 even, they break through that. You got all of this up in here, 95.70, this area 94.50, and then you got this little bowl at 94.20. We'll handle Walmart in real time once we get to that. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We're gonna throw Tesla on the table. And Tesla was another one that I put out, and they boomed this thing. You see, boom, we was all the way down at 359. We ran this bad boy all the way to 375. And as you see, with this particular play right here, had another one. Here we go. Anytime you see Tiger cutting up, you already know we knocked one out of the ballpark, and I think this is the Tesla. Tesla calls a break and hold up at 360.30. That's where you going for calls. And as you see, they ran that bad boy up. They gave us a $15 move. Shout out to all you guys that took that call and ran with it. So they're sitting at 368.70. If you are a bull, you want to see this little area right here at 370.20 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come in here, 371.90. Next level up is going to be 373.33. They trying to get back to 375.40. They can break through there. You're going to be on route to 377.380. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this little area in here, 367.80 get taken out. They can take out that. What you really want to see is this level 365.80. That's going to be where bulls have to defend. They'll start trying to come down to this little area, 366.55, but what you want to see is 365.60 get taken out. They can take out that little stuff up in there. They're going to start running this thing all the way back down, 359.50. We know Tesla can have some pullback. As far as I'm concerned, until I see anything different, that's an opportunity to buy into Tesla and buy your calls. Get a couple weeks out, and you're going to see this thing continue to pop. That's my outlook in Tesla. Last but not least, guys, we're going to throw SPY on here. They're sitting at 605.95. If you are a bull, what you need to see them get back to the 606.60 level. If they can get through that, another area of interest is at 606.85. They break through that, they're going to start trying to run this thing back up. You got 607.20. Boom, you got 607.70, and then all this stuff up in here, 608.50. I'm not interested in calls until they get to the 610 area. Give me some history. Come back down to 605. Give me some history to be able to play that upside, and I'm all for it. But on the downside, you want to see this area right here get taken out. You got 605.20. They start losing 605.20. One more area of interest is 604.95. They lose that. Boom, you coming down to 604.20 and the lower stuff. But you already know I'll be all over SPY once SPY starts showing themselves. But guys, you're throwing those shots out there. I'm trying to make you see the levels that I'm throwing out. That way, once it hit those areas, we're going to get some action. I caught one in SPY today, right around that closing time. I told everybody, I seen a few people in different chats saying, get calls, it's looking good for calls. And I'm like, man, what are you guys talking about? It's no such thing right now in getting calls. until the bulls can get back above 607.50. I said until bulls able to get 607.50, bears can still push this thing. Bulls cannot lose that 606.80 level. If they do, they're going to continue to come down. And you see Tiger walking that thing down, you already know what time it is. Boom. Told you guys not to grab those calls. As you see what happened, you see that big bearish area, and you see where we at 605.95. Guys, I'm trying to put this stuff out here to protect you guys from making bad decisions, buying calls just because you see a green candle. It ain't worth it. Don't do it. But I done took enough of your time. But hey, if you like sniper type level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.